Letwin Gwanzura is my name, and I'm a program director at Mutasa Medical Group. I was born and raised in Mutasa. My duty is to implement initiatives that aim to safeguard the Mutasa population from illness. My role is to work on initiatives that serve as the first line of defense against sickness in Mutasa district. Serving in this capacity is one of the greatest joys of my life because it allows me to give back to the community that nurtured me. My goal is to implement an HIV/AIDS prevention program. The topic is about HIV/AIDS. HIV has caused the most anguish among my people, and this agony takes many forms, including financial, social, and physical pain. It is, by far, the worst thing that has ever happened in Mutasa district. The consequences of HIV/AIDS are devastating, and the Mutasa community has experienced it and is afraid, and have since coined the Shona nickname Shuramatongo, which translates to leaving houses empty. This prompted my engagement in HIV/AIDS programs. My uncle was diagnosed with HIV/AIDS in the early 2000s and was bedridden. My mother then participated in home-based care programs to learn more about HIV/AIDS in order to care for our beloved uncle. Every day, she would tell us what they had told her in the clinic, which made me want to be part of HIV/AIDS program. Condoms are scientifically established method of preventing HIV/AIDS. When indulging in sexual activities, it is a must to wear a condom. Loving someone means protecting them, and using condoms protects both you and your lover. I come here as a witness of the HIV and AIDS effects and encourage you all to protect yourself and loved ones while wrapping it up. Thank you for listening. More information on our program can be found on our website, https site google.com/view AIDS campaign, and follow us on our following social media handles: Twitter at Mutasa Medical Group, Facebook at Wrap It Up, and Instagram at Wrap It Up.